What's up everybody, we're the Cho Sisters. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Katie. Today we'll be making 2 servings of Dole Whip.
So we actually got this recipe from Disney themselves, but they're calling it the frozen pineapple treat. But we know what you really mean, Disney. Thanks.
You just need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 8 ounces of pineapple juice, and 4 cups of frozen pineapple.
Using a blender, put in the vanilla ice cream, the pineapple juice, and lastly, frozen pineapples. And then blend it all together until smooth. Once this mixture has been blended into a thick consistency, you could just pour it and ready to drink.
Instead of having mimosa, you can enjoy a cool drink like this. And if you're interested in looking at the recipe, there's a link to it in the description box below.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe below for more.